face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same.
Dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the packaging, I am back with another Wowafrican collab. They sent me over their Pull and Go Glueless 360 Invisible Adjustable Strapped Refreshed Natural Curly HD Lace Wig with the kinky edges, guys. I'm showing you guys up close what that hairline looks like. As you guys can see, they made it mimic a naturally maybe 3C hair texture around the edges, and the rest of the hair is this kinky, curly, natural, refreshed, curly look. I'm going ahead and I'm trying this wig on right out of the box so you guys can see what it looks like. First impression, y'all, I had to go ahead and pull those edges out a little bit. Although I really love it, I think it looks so natural. It even has like that little peasy look that some people's hair might get if you fall asleep without wrapping your hair up or something. But yeah, I'm getting up close so you guys can really see it. I really do love the hairline, but I am going to end up like combing through that a little bit just so that it matches the hair texture of the rest of the wig a little bit better. So now that you guys see what it looks like right out of the box, let's go ahead and tack down that lace. I am using my lace bonding spray like usual, but this time I am spraying it on the lace and then just pressing it in with my rat tail end of my comb. I'm going to go ahead and let that side dry, and then I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. As you guys can see here, I did start to like comb through that product a little bit because I didn't want it to get clumped up in the edges of the hair. So I did end up just going through and combing through those edges a little bit. So I was done tacking down that lace. This is what the wig looks like. Y'all, I really do love these wigs that look a lot more natural. I don't know if it's coming with old age. Y'all know I'm going to be 30 soon in a few months. So I don't know if it's coming with me getting older or more mature, I should say. But I'm starting to really fall in love with the wigs that look like they could be my own hair. I've been showing you guys a mixture of both, but I think in 2026 I'm definitely going to be showing you guys more natural textures and just, you know, like styles that look like they could be ours. So as you guys can see, I'm going through with a little bit of my mousse. I only had a little bit left, so I ended up going in with the rest of that mousse that I had, and then a spray bottle filled with just water. And I'm just going ahead and defining those curls to let you guys see what this texture looks like when it's curly. So this wig is a 360 lace wig, and it is 180% density. So it gives you that fullness, especially once it's dry. But when it's wet, it really just gives you that nice full look, but still very natural because it's not too much hair. So guys, once I went ahead and defined those curls, this is what that wig is looking like. As you guys can see the hairline, I did like comb through it a little bit, and I think it looks absolutely stunning. I'm going in with my hot comb only at the top of the head because I want it to be flat. I don't want the top of that hair to be sticking up at all or any humps or lumps up there. So I'm just going through and flattening the top down, and also going around the hairline just a tad bit. I don't want to like straighten out those edges, but I do want them to be tamed. So guys, this is pretty much what the look looks like once I'm done. I didn't do any crazy baby hairs. or anything like that. I just left the edges like that kinky texture where it just looks effortless. Like it could be mine. I woke up in the morning, just tossed my hair up in a ponytail. I'm going ahead and showing you guys what this wig looks like up in a ponytail. And since we pulled those clear invisible straps in the inside of the wig, it made this wig fit super snug, super secure, super tight. The back of the wig is nice and flat, and you can literally wear this wig in an updo without having to worry about gluing down the back of it. I think if you've been watching me for long enough, you know me by now that I was going to go ahead and chop some of this hair. I really like the length of it. It is 20 inches, by the way, if I did not mention that earlier in the video. This wig is 20 inches, but I did cut off about 2 inches off of the wig just to like frame it to my face a little bit better. And I feel like once the hair dries and the curls get a little bit bigger, it's gonna look really pretty this length. So guys, this is pretty much the finished look. This is how the wig looks when it's wet. I did do a little trimming to the ends of it, but this is pretty much what it is giving. I absolutely love that natural hairline look, and the texture of the hair just looks so pretty. It could definitely pass for my real hair, I think. On a normal day, I definitely probably will wear this wig to the gym and go ahead and put a headband on the front. I'm just going to show you guys what that headband will look like. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig and you like any of the styles that I did with it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, like this video, leave me some feedback, and I will leave all the details to this wig down below. See you guys next time. Bye.
On things now, I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days.